Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Remy from the Big City Greens. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is pretty simple. We're gonna start with his glasses. It's just gonna be one big oval. It's kind of like an egg shape. Okay, and then once we have this one, we're gonna draw the other one. So this one's gonna be behind this, so we're gonna start right around here and just try to draw the same oval again. I know it could be a little bit tricky to draw something identical. Alright, and then once we have those two shapes, we're just gonna give it a little bit of a border. So this one's easy, we just kind of follow the lines. One more here on this side. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw in the top of his head. So start here, right in the middle, just go up a little bit, curve out, and then on the side here we're gonna come down, and then we gotta draw part of his hair right here on the side. Just come up and go all the way down, right around here. And then from this point, we're gonna draw his ear. So it's gonna curve up and stop right around here. Okay, and then from there now, let's just go ahead and finish up his glasses and his hair on the top. So for his glasses here, right in the center of the oval, just gonna extend it out. I know there's a line here, but I'm just gonna shade it in black anyway, so we just cover all that up. And then for his eyeballs, let's just have him, looking up this way. Okay, and then for the hair, it's really easy. You can start in the middle here. Just go up. Just draw one curve like this first. And then we're gonna draw two more on each side. Round it out. So 1, 2, and just close everything off. And let's see, almost forgot about his little eyebrows around top. Just gonna draw two curves. Alright, so now we can fill in the face. So the face is gonna be pretty big here on the bottom. Start here. Just draw one bracket like this first. Then come down this side. Draw a smaller bracket. And then we're just gonna close it up off with a nice curve. Alright, so this is a little bit of a tricky shape to draw as well. And then for his mouth, I'm just gonna give him a big smile. Alright, now for his body, right in the middle here, just draw a little triangle coming down. And then two little lines here for his tie. Okay, and then we're gonna come to the side here. We're gonna draw his arms first. So we're gonna draw one line coming down, and then on the side here, curve it out a little bit more. Close it. And then for the sleeve, just one little line for some detail. And then here his hand, his thumb, just curve out. And then on the back here, we're just gonna draw just like a U shape here. So it's almost like a glove. And then once we have that, we're just adding two lines for his fingers. Just keep it nice and simple. Okay, and then for his body, we come across here, curve out, and then just curve all the way back in to his arm. That's gonna be the upper part. And then now for his pants, coming down, curve, and then come straight down first. Now go back to the middle, come down, draw a line going that way. And then from this point here, come down again. And then now it's gonna curve this way and just go up to the hand. And this side, same thing here, just curve it out, close it off. Alright, so that's his legs, and let's finish up this arm as well. I'm just gonna give him a little bit of thumbs up here. So we're gonna curve, come down, curve back into the body, a little bit of detail. And then for his thumbs up, I'm just gonna go up. And then this side here, we're just gonna curve it just a little bit. And then it's gonna draw the rest of his fingers coming in, just curve inwards. And then again, we can add in 2 lines. Alright, so now let's finish up his legs. So continue with this line, come down, and then over here, come down, then round it off. And then for his shoes, really easy, just curve. This one's gonna come down a little bit straighter. Curve it out. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first before drawing the details. So come down and we're gonna curve back there. And then same thing on a shoe, curve. Just kind of round it off. So this one's kind of behind this leg. And then for the details here, just one curve. And then same thing here for his socks. Another line. Alright, so that is it for this Remy. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.